Hello everyone, again this is Tejal from Sunmol Software and today we will see how to add assemblies. So let's start. Just click on inventory module and just select assemblies submodule over here. Just click on these four dots. You will see multiple options over here. You can easily export your data of assemblies through export to CSV and export to Excel option. To create new assembly, just click on add assemblies option. Just enter name for that assembly. I'm just adding wooden table over here. Just add catalog number for it. Then select the status as active. Enter the tag. I'm just adding new table over here. Add the notes. Then upload the image for that assembly. I have uploaded the wooden table image over here. Just search for the parts. I'm just selecting its inventory, non-inventory or service. I have just selected non-inventory and just search for that product. Just added plywood over here and sun mica in it. Okay, these two materials will be needed to create the table. That's why I have added this assembly parts for that wooden table. This is how you can add multiple assembly parts for that assembly. I have just added two over here. If you don't have any product in the search list, then you can quickly add new product through this add new product option. You can also select your product through this product catalog option, and you can easily import your products through this option. Then just you can update your wastage percentage, quantity, deplete quantity, rate, cost, chargeable rate, all you can update it. Through these actions you can clone your line item and delete it easily. Just click on save only option. Your assembly will be saved successfully and page will be reloaded and audit log tab will be available. You can check all audits against that assembly in this audit log tabs. Just click on save and close option and your assembly entry will be created on the index page, and you can easily view, edit and delete that entry through these actions. You can also create document through this action, and you can also print assembly number and assembly catalog from this. You can quick search your assemblies through this filter given over here. I am just searching for active assemblies. This is how you can quick filter your results, and you can quick refresh your search result through this refresh button. This is how you can add your assemblies. If you get any query to add assemblies, then please connect us at contact us@sunmolsoftware.com. See you in the next video.